Subscribe naman guys. Punta ka sa Marina mismo guys. Search mo dyan sa Google. And then mag-login ka. Lagay mo yung email mo tsaka password. Tapos I'm not a robot. And then yan. I-click mo yung select transaction. Yan sa taas. Yung kulay green. Click mo yan. Select transaction. And then yan lalabas na. Tapos ayun yun, and then click mo yung evaluation pag COP ka guys pag COP refresher yan guys, and then click mo yan select class COP, and then hanapin mo yung BT basic training, hanapin mo yan guys ang basic training. Yan. And then yan. Tapos okay. Click mo check tapos proceed. Click mo proceed. Ayun. And then yan pilapan mo guys. Nilagay mo yung CO. Hindi na kailangan ng COP na upload this. Click mo yan. Yan. Kailangan mo ng si service. Tapos upload sa passport guys. And then medical mo guys ang valid guys then 2x2 picture and then Siemens book wala, and then certificate of COP, and then service of training, and tapos submit nyo guys. Click mo yung submit, tapos yun na yun